Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering materials and creating a reliable base. Fold the paper once and mark the center line so both halves align. This gives symmetry. Trace your hand lightly or lay a template to capture correct size. Once done, refine the wrist point and fingertip lengths with small marks. These guide later cuts and folds. Make sure to keep lines light so you can erase or adjust. Accuracy now saves time later when you add fingers and details. Now you shape the fingers. Cut along the outer outline, but keep the wrist attached so the paper hand stays connected. Score lines at each knuckle with a blunt tool to create crisp, bendable folds. This makes movement predictable. Fold each finger and test the range. Add small internal tabs and glue them where sections overlap to reinforce joints. Once assembled, adjust angles so fingers close naturally. If a finger feels weak, add a narrow strip of paper along its inside for stiffness. Finish by trimming rough edges and adding a backing layer to strengthen the palm. This keeps the hand flat and durable. Decorate or color as desired, but keep additions light so joints still move. Once done, test full motion and strengthen any limp areas by gluing a folded strip behind the wrist or applying small tape reinforcement. This corrects common flex failures. If a finger binds, slightly open the joint score and recrease gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.